Shoot for the moon, and if you miss, you will still be among the stars. Hi guys, this is Sujata and you're watching GrammarENG, English Grammar for ESL students. In today's class, we are going to discuss a proverb. Don't shoot the messenger. Don't shoot the messenger. In this video, we are going to discuss the meaning and usage of the proverb, don't shoot the messenger. Let's get into the lesson. What is the meaning of the proverb, don't shoot the messenger? Don't get angry at or punish someone who is delivering bad or undesirable news as they are not responsible for it. We should not blame or get angry at the person who delivers the bad or undesirable news because they are not responsible for it. That is the meaning of the proverb, don't shoot the messenger. Messenger is the one who delivers the bad news or undesirable thing. If someone shoots the messenger, they blame a person who told them bad news or information instead of blaming the person who is responsible for the situation. Shooting the messenger means blaming the bearer of bad news for being responsible for that bad news. We should not blame the messenger who is delivering the bad news because he is not the one who is responsible for that bad news. In ancient times, messengers were sent to impart official news because there were no communication facility in those days. These messengers sometimes incurred the wrath of the one receiving the bad news. Wrath means extreme anger. It is often used when someone reveals a difficult truth that the listener does not want to hear. It reminds the listener that the truth is not the fault of the person revealing the truth. So, don't shoot the messenger means we should not get angry at the person who delivers the bad news or bad information instead of the person who is responsible for that scenario. Let's use this proverb in a sentence. See, sorry to disappoint you, but many people won't like the answer. Please don't shoot the messenger or blame the messenger. There were 3 winners. Here, the person says that there were 3 winners. This is the bad news. He is delivering the bad news to somebody. He said, please don't shoot the messenger. Please don't blame me because I am not responsible for this bad news. There were 3 winners. You are not the only one winner. There were 3 winners. Look at this example. Here is a scenario for you. Your manager says that every workers need to stay an hour late to finish the work. You tell other employees. You may be the assistant for the manager. The manager informed you that every workers should stay an hour late to finish the work. You are going to inform the message to other employees. A few people are angry. You tell them that it was not your idea. So, you are using this phrase, hey, don't shoot the messenger. It means, you should not blame me. I am not responsible for this bad news. So far, we have discussed the meaning and usage of the proverb, don't shoot the messenger. Don't shoot the messenger means, don't get angry at the messenger who delivers the bad news. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you find this video informative, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.